Hi, this is my bike check. It's my Fit Aitken. It's Fit Aitken frame. Start just from the front. Primo Sam Squatch bars. 8.5 rise, 28 wide. ODI grips, ODI bar ends. Black label stem. Fit headset. Paro front rim, Animal GLH tire, Primo Kamikaze V2 forks, premium pivotal seat, stolen Thermalite seat post, Fit seat clamp, Eastern cranks, United pedals, Fit bottom bracket, Shadow Scream 25 tooth sprocket, KMC Z chain, Alienation Black Sheep back rim with the Black Ops hub, and my Shadow undertone 110 PSI tire and back. Yeah, that's my bike check.